Okay, a slow day today. We got tied up getting the 75 ready for pickup. Client's on his way. That'll go out. And put a charger, hook up for a trickle charger on it. So that's down here. And theoretically ready for pickup. And in the meantime, I didn't do much to this Triumph engine today. Got a back gasket out, cleaned up the bolts, ran a tap through all of these bolt holes to clean out the threads, get all the garbage out. I'm going to put the clutch back in, my little clutch spring screwdriver, and I ran a 1/4-inch drill through all of these holes because they were kind of bunged up. So basically we're ready to put it back together, and I think I'll do that, and then I'll give you a short video. Client should be here by that time. All right, clutch is installed. Going to do the cover now. Okay, clutch is in, primary is closed up. Gonna call it a day. Tomorrow, Kevin and I might drop on the top end. Don't know, tomorrow's Wednesday. Not sure what I'm gonna do. Anyway, it's ready for the top end. That's where we are.